Capricorn, this month feels like naka-focus camera mo sa long-term goals, habang ang iba naka-selfie mode lang. The universe is aligning things quietly for you. Hindi flashy, pero very real. Sa love life, practical ka this month. If single, hindi ka basta-basta papasok sa relasyon. Parang job interview ang dating. May standards at qualifications, pero surprise. May taong papasok na hindi pasok sa usual type mo, pero pasok sa puso mo. If taken, stability ang theme. But avoid becoming too routine. Kailangan din ng konting spark. Career-wise, this is your arena. May progress na hindi agad nakikita ng iba, pero alam mong malayo na ang narating mo. Someone might underestimate you. Let them. Plot twist na lang kapag nag-level up ka bigla. Health, overwork ang kalaban. Hindi pwedeng puro grind. Kahit machine, may maintenance. Compatibility, Taurus and Virgo. Solid, walang drama. Pero sa Libra, medyo magkakaiba kayo ng priorities. Lucky color, charcoal gray. Lucky number, 6. Final message. Hindi lahat ng success kailangan ipakita agad. Build quietly. Then let results make noise.
Kaswerte! Follow and subscribe kung gusto mo pa ng daily forecast.